Productivity is key to really accomplish great things, and if you're running a startup already, then you might be aware of Notion. This is a tool used by both entrepreneurs, freelancers, as well as all the people working in the office that want to have all the knowledge in one place. It's super simple to use. Let's have a quick look, because the most important thing I want to tell you about is that Notion has embraced AI in a very significant way, and this is really cool. But if you have never heard about Notion or you have never used it, then it's really worth taking a look at it first. So basically what you see is that this is kind of a wiki docs product when it's super easy to actually have your planning in one place, do things like have all your documentation, have your onboarding for your team members, have, for example, all the contacts to your partners, social media calendar for when you want to post particular items on your list, and all the other stuff that you're doing within your company, all the projects, all the necessary thing. Now, Notion AI is coming along the way, and this is really cool because they used all the generative AI that there is with ChatGPT, Hugging Face, and all the other new models that are coming along the way, and they included and embraced that within the product. So this is really cool stuff. And I'm going to show you the video from Notion itself. So if you go to Notion Product AI, the link will probably be down below in the description as well. You'll be able to see the video itself, and you're going to see what's happening. So Notion AI is really the tool within the Notion. So if you just start with Notion for free, you'll be able to use it right away. And there are different kind of things that you can ask AI to do. So you can see on the screen right now that AI is doing different tasks that, for example, summarizing, making a table. So it's basically like ChatGPT, but used within the Notion itself, so you don't have to go out. It's super simple and also super useful if you already have Notion or using your Notion in your company. This is one of the most important productivity tips for this year. So if you don't use it right now, definitely check it out. Really cool to use it with the Notion. This is the short video from Notion itself. And as you can see, it gives you this super capabilities of summarizing, making tables, adding action items, all done by AI. So you can only start writing and then everything is done by AI. You can make your communication also much better because you can improve your writing, change the tone of the writing. So for example, change it into a professional tone from a formal tone. As you can see from the example here, it also has this different grammar features like fixing the spelling, fixing the grammar, translating from one language to another, editing voice tone, all those things. So this is a really cool thing also for augmenting your creativity. So if you want to brainstorm to have this problem of like blank paper, don't know what to do, you can just ask for different ideas. This is standard thing from generative AI right now, and really cool stuff. So the price right now starting from $10 for Notion AI per seat per person. That compares pretty well to all the other options that you can see. So definitely check it out. Notion itself is super cool and making waves in a startup community because it's super easy to have your entire organization run with a single tool and have different productivity, creativity hacks. So definitely working pretty well for that. This is a short tutorial on how to use Notion, so subscribe to my channel to learn more. I'll be coming back to Notion as well as other AI tools on my channel, so subscribe and see you in the next video.